Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So we were discussing about the structure of a seed. Okay. We were discussing of the structure of a seed. So now next part of our video is I am going to discuss how does this seed germinates. So তোমালোকে যদি কি কৰা যিকোনো এটা seed তোমালোকে মাটিত পেলাই থৈ দিয়া কি হ'ব seed to কি হ'ব grow হ'ব the seed will be germinate if you so please all the students mute your video or mute your audio. All the students are asked to mute your video. So not video, your speaker. Then and there you will be able to listen my voice. Okay. So next part I am going to tell you. So how does this germinates? How does this seed germinates? Okay. Okay, so students, I am again drawing one structure of a seed. Okay, so when you যদি তোমালোকে কি কৰা যদি তোমালোকে এটা seed তোমালোকে মাটিত পেলাই থৈ দিয়া তো কি হ'ব seed to কি হ'ব গজিবলৈ ধৰিব হয়নে the seed will begin to germinate or grow. Okay, so what happens mostly that most seeds required them, that means গুটেইবিলাক যিবিলাক বীজ তোমালোকে যিবিলাক seed তোমালোকে মাটিত পেলাই থবা সেই মাটিবিলাকক জাৰ্মিনেট হ'বৰ কাৰণে প্ৰধানতে কি লাগিব water লাগিব air লাগিব and কি লাগিব গম পাইছানে water air আৰু এটা বস্তু লাগিব কি বস্তু লাগিব কোৱা what are the three main things required sunlight air and sunlight. So these three things are very much required to grow a seed into a plant. Okay, to grow into a seed, to grow into a plant. So these things are very required. First of all, the water, right amount of water should be required, and air and sunlight. Okay. So যদি তোমালোকে seed বিলাক তোমালোকে যদি ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত আনি পেলাই তোমালোকে যদি মাটিত দি থৈ দিয়া বা টাবত তোমালোকে হেৰি কৰা তোমালোকে ভালকে seed টো grow নহব বুজি পাইছানে তো seed টো grow হ'বৰ কাৰণে তোমালোকে must be sunlight লাগিব air লাগিব আৰু water লাগিব বুজি পাইছানে so most of the seed required them and water to grow. Yes, so most of the seeds required what air water and sunlight to grow into a plant হ'বৰ কাৰণে এই বস্তু কিটা লাগিব ঠিক আছে so when this so I am writing another term germination means what is the germination of seed what is the process of germination of seed germination of process মানে কি হয় the what is called the germination of germination germination of seed means this is the process through which a seed grows into a sapling. Yes, so this process is called this process of growing into a plant. Okay, students, I'm trying to write it bigger. Okay, Okay. So I have told you that germination is the process through which a seed grows into a sapling. Okay. When germination takes place, that germination hoy. Germination means this. Germination means a seed to that plant ole mane sapling ole convert hoy. When a seed grows into a sapling, this is the process is called germination. Yes. So in the process of germination, the seed acquires water. Prothomate ki koribo? A seed to ki koribo? Prothomate jete germination hobo. Mati mane mati tumaloke suppose eta bees pelai thoisa. Eta seed tumaloke mati pelai thoisa. Aru he matir pa jete hi gojibole arambho koribo. Prothomate ki koribo? First it will absorb water from the soil. বুজি পাইছা নে প্ৰথমতে এইটো কি কৰিব মাটিৰ পৰা সয়েল ল মাটিৰ পৰা কি লব ই ওয়াটাৰ ই এবজর্ব কৰিব okay first it will absorb the water from the soil so soil is very much important to grow a seed into a sapling বুজি পাইছা নে who is calling right now some people are calling Samiksha, why are you calling me now? Samiksha, मुझे क्यों कॉल कर रहे हो? Samiksha, why are you calling me? Samiksha, are you able to listen me? Samiksha, मुझे देख रहे हो कि नहीं? So students, what is called germination? What is called germination? Tell me, say along with me. The process through which a seed grows into a sapling. Is called germination. It is a process through which a seed grows into a sapling. Okay. So first I told you that while germination. Okay. Don't need to tell. Okay, don't need to tell.
Growth is called germination.
Yes, very good. So students, listen to me carefully. While germination takes place, first the seed absorbs water from seed. Yes, and this embryo starts to grow. Buji paisa ne? First what happens? This seed acquires water. Then the embryo starts to grow by using the food stored in the cotyledons. So I already said to the students, these are parts called kikoy. These are parts called cotyledons. This part of the what is it? So students, this part of the seed is called cotyledon, and you know that this part ki kore, a part to ki kore? Food stores. This part stores food for the growth of embryo. Embryo to grow hobar karone, jibilak energy lagibo, food lagibo. Prothomote এই cotyledon মানে এই পার্টটো মানে কি হয় থাকে absorb হয় থাকে বুজি পাইছা নে first while a seed germinates into a seed first while a seed begins to germinate yes প্ৰথমতে যেতিয়া এটা seed germinate হবলে start হয় তেতিয়া কি কৰে তোমালোকে জানা যে ই water absorb কৰে then কি কৰে then embryo starts growing by using the food stored in the cotyledons start বুজি পাইছা নে লয়নি বুজি পাইছা নে লয়নি বুজি পাইছা নে লয়নি Parasmita, you are getting it? Are you getting it? Parasmita, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, মই অসমীয়াত কৈছো চোৱা যেতিয়া বীজ এটাই মানে seed এটাই যেতিয়া germination মানে গজিবলৈ আৰম্ভ কৰে তেতিয়া ই কি কৰে মাটিৰ পৰা কি কৰে water extract কৰে মানে water absorb কৰে আৰু water absorb কৰি পেলাই তোমালোকক যে মই কৈছিলো যে বেবি প্লান্ট এটা থাকে তোমালোকক মই কৈছিলো যে বেবি প্লান্ট এটা থাকে বীজৰ ভিতৰত মানে সিডৰ ভিতৰত এটা বেবি প্লান্ট থাকে এই বেবি প্লান্টটো কি কৰে গ্ৰো হ'বলৈ আৰম্ভ কৰে ইট স্টাৰ্টস গ্ৰোইং মানে ই বাঢ়িবলৈ ধৰে কেনেকৈ বাঢ়িবলৈ ধৰে চোৱা এই কটিলিডনছত থাকে কি থাকে ইয়াত ফুড থাকে this part of is called cotyledons and cotyledon stores food for the growth of embryo বুজি পাইছানে and this embryo starts to growing first a young shoot grows upward first a young shoot grows downward okay প্ৰথমতে কি হয় what happens after absorbing water and this embryo starts to grow first a young root this is called a root this is a young root ROOT yes students so first a young root grows into downward yes first a young root grows into downward from it yes and these are the soil ইয়াত কি থাকিব soil বুজি পাইছানে first a young root grows downward then a young shoot grows upward and this young shoot and this is a young shoot 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 this is the young shoot that grows into stem branches leaves বুজি পাইছানে গুটেই বোৰ বস্তু মানে ইয়াৰ পৰা হ'ব all these things will be like stems leaves branches all this will be from this young shoot and this young shoot turns into some কি হয় stem হ'ব পাৰে বা তোমালোকৰ কি হ'ব পাৰে leaves হ'ব পাৰে বুজি পাইছানে গুটেই বস্তুবোৰ ইয়াৰ পৰাই হয় and it develops into the stem and produces leaves বুজি পাইছানে students this young shoot develops some stems leaves বুজি পাইছানে পাৰস্মিতা বুজি পাইছানে
Yes, sir.
so তোমালোকে গছৰ যিবিলাক ডাল দেখিছা পাত দেখিছা গুটেইবিলাক কিহৰ পৰা হয় এই young shoot টোৰ পৰা হয় young shoot okay huh
The meaning of shoot.
oh shoot yes exactly shoot means have you seen তোমালোকে দেখিছানে তোমালোকে have you seen any seed দেখিছানে তোমালোকে
Yes.
अगर যদি তোমালোকে seed দেখিছা এই seed টো যেতিয়া গ্ৰো হ'বলৈ আৰম্ভ কৰে মানে যেতিয়া জাৰ্মিনেট হয় সৰু সৰু কিছুমান stem ওলাই দেখিছানে small like roots stem এনেকে সৰু সৰু বস্তু তাৰ পৰা এনেকে গজালি মেলে নাই Are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So, shoot
Yes, sir.
গজালি হয় shoot means কি হয় গজালি হয় মানে ইয়াৰ পৰা সৰু
Yes, sir.
বুজি পাইছানে এতিয়া বুজি পাইছানে
Yes, sir.
Yes. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Vidhi.
हाँ विधि विधि क्या
Sir.
यस विधि विधि शूट का मतलब होता है जब एक सीड मतलब ग्रो करेगा जर्मिनेट होगा तब छोटा छोटा क्या निकलते हैं वहां से छोटा क्या निकलते हैं शूट निकलते हैं ठीक है तो उन्हीं को कहता है शूट young shoot and this young shoot turns develops into stems leaves etc okay and I have already said that Parasmita মোক দেখি আছে নে Parasmita are you listening me Harshita
Sir, voice to clear
voice to clear হোৱা নাই এতিয়া হৈছে নে Am I audible now?
Sir, आपका voice. Sir, आपका voice to सुना पा नहीं.
Voice to শুনা পোৱা নাই?
Sir, yes.
ভয়েস তো শুনা পোৱা নাই now listening are you listening শুনা পাইছা নে
No, sir.
no
No, sir. No, sir. Pasu, sir.
अभी सुनाई दे रहा है
Yes.
अभी सुनाई दे रहा है क्या
Yes. Sir, শুনা পোৱা নাই। ভইচটো শুনা পোৱা নাই।
এতিয়া শুনা পাইছা নাই अभी सुना है are you listening to me
Yes.
yes এতিয়া শুনা পাইছা দীক্ষিত শুনা পাইছা নে দীক্ষিত শুনা পাইছা নে মোক my voice
Yes, sir.
am I audible now yes so
Yes.
so are all the students present yes so 19 students are present now you are মই ধ্ৰুৱজ্যোতি মোক দেখা পাইছা নে ধ্ৰুৱজ্যোতি মোক দেখা পাইছা নে ধ্ৰুৱজ্যোতি যদি দেখা পাইছা হাতখন দাঙি দিয়া ধ্ৰুৱজ্যোতি raise your hands if you see me if you can see me then raise your hands ধ্ৰুৱজ্যোতি
Yes. Yes.
হাতখন দাঙি দিয়া যদি দেখা পাইছা হাতখন দাঙি দিয়া raise your hand ধ্ৰুৱজ্যোতি am I audible now yes very good but what happens my ইয়াতো মোৰ দেখুৱা নাই এইটো ৰানিং হৈ থকা নাই what is going on yes so while hello students मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है कि नहीं am I audible now am I visible now
No, sir.
am I visible now
No, sir.
no
No, sir.
no several network problems sorry network problems
No, sir.
am I visible now
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
now visible now visible or not am I visible now
Yes. 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 Yes.
अभी देख रहे हैं क्या
Yes, sir.
okay very good
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay students मुझे देखा पाइसा ने
Yes, sir. Yes,
देखा पाइसा ने देखा पाइसा ने निहारिका देखा पाइसा ने देखा
Yes,
पाइसा
sir.
very good so students we are discussing about the germination of seeds yes so while this growing on while this is going on but that means that when the germination of seed occurs যেতিয়া germination of seed হৈ থাকে তেতিয়া কি হয় these are called the early leaves so students these cotyledons are also called early leaves বুজি পাইছা নে while the germination going on these early leaves fuels as energy for the growth of this young shoot and young root বুজি পাইছা নে so যেতিয়া তোমালোকৰ এটা seed যেতিয়া grow হৈ থাকে তেতিয়া তো মেইন এনাৰ্জি কৰ পৰা পায় এই seed to grow হোৱাৰ কাৰণে এনাৰ্জি লাগিব the seed required energy to grow and this cotyledon that stores food here acts as a fuel that means it gives energy to grow this seed বুজি পাইছা নে এই seed to grow হোৱাৰ কাৰণে ডাঙৰ হোৱাৰ কাৰণে এনাৰ্জি কৰ পৰা পায় ফুড কৰ পৰা পায় ইয়াৰ পৰা পায় early leaves that is called the cotyledons this part are called the cotyledons বুজি পাইছা নে this cotyledons fuels the seed in the early growth of this seed okay students বুজি পাইছা নে ধ্ৰুৱজ্যোতি বুজি পাইছা নে are you getting it
Yes. Yes.
so very good
Yes.
very good so students now you tell me Students, now you tell me who is part of the plant turns into fruits?
Cotyledons.
No, fruits. I'm asking that who is part of the plant? এতিয়া মই এবিলাক ডিসকাস বন্ধ কৰিছো যে it has completed. Germination of seed. This part has completed. Germination of seed. Now I'm asking that who is part of the which part of the plant turns into fruit?
Sir, cotyledon.
No. Which part of the plant turns into fruit? This is very easy question. You can ask. You can tell me.
Seed coat.
Huh?
Seed coat.
Embryo, not flower.
Sir, flower.
Flower. Yes, exactly. Who told the correct answer? Leaven or what?
Yes, sir.
Yes, leaven. This flower turns into a fruit. বুজি পাইছা নে? This flower. Yes, the flower. So now you tell me, students, what are the three basic things required to grow a seed?
Air, sunlight, and water.
Yes. Students, have you noticed that some of the seeds does not grow into a sapling or a tree? Why? Some of the seeds does not grow into a sapling. That means it does not germinate. Why? Can you tell me? Can you tell me, students?
Because there is no
Huh?
pollination.
Pollination নহয়, তাত pollination কথা নাহে নহয়। সিডত pollination কথা কেনেকৈ আহিব? Seed হবৰ কাৰণে pollination হ'বই লাগিব। Seed হবৰ কাৰণে pollination হ'বই লাগিব। No, you are not correct. To grow a seed into a sapling, it must require air, water, and sunlight. So those seeds,
Sunlight.
yes, air, water, and sunlight. These three things are basic, very much required to grow into a sapling. Yes. So those seeds which does not get the proper amount of water, proper amount of sunlight, proper amount of what? Air. Yes. Those seeds does not grow into a plant. So here in your book, I'm reading your next paragraph of 231. Page number 231. Look at this page number. Look at this page number. This paragraph. Flowers turned into fruits. Yes. So I'm discussing this paragraph that all the seeds produced by plants do not grow into a new plant. মানে যিবিলাক seed তোমালোকে কি কৰা produced by plant, all the seeds produced by any plant does not grow into a sapling. Why? Only because of some dies due to the lack of air, water, and warmth, while some other seeds are eaten up by birds and insects. Okay, students. So what? All the seeds does not grow into a plant or sapling because they does not require proper amount of water, air, and sunlight. And although some animals or birds eaten up by them, okay, so that is why all the seeds, that means okay, all the seeds, that is why all the seeds doesn't grow into a plant. Yes. Now one question is right. You could write this question. Why all the seeds? Why all the seeds does not why all the seeds does not grow into a new plant? So why all the seeds? So students, you write the question. Why all the seeds? Why all the seeds?
सर वो बीच में वीडियो रुक रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है
দেখা পোৱা নাই
Network problem was it is creating some network problem. Yes, are you visible? Is it visible now? Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, it is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Now question is that why all the seeds does not grow into a new plant? You are right the answer. So you write the answer. Why all the seeds have
सर व्हाट इज द आंसर
answer is that all the seeds. Answer is that all the seeds does not get
सर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है
proper amount of
सर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है
air,
सर नॉट फिजिबल
water,
Sir, not visible. Sir, not visible. Sir, not visible.
So this is the answer of this question. So this is the answer of this question. That all the seeds does not get proper amount of air, water, and sunlight. Also, birds and animals eaten up them. বুজি পাইছা নে?
Sir,
हो गया क्या क्लास
the board is not visible to me.
Why?
हाँ
But I am visible here.
ठीक है ना तो डाल ना
It's better in their shape, size, and color.
Sir, not visible.
Is it not visible? Visible here? Am I visible or
Yes,
not?
sir. No, sir. No, sir. Sir, दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
First, लिखिसा ने? First, are you writing?
Yes. Sir, complete.
So, Bidi, can you tell me why all the seeds doesn't grow into a plant?
Because they doesn't get the proper amount of water, air, and sunlight, and some birds and animals eaten up them.
Yes. So seeds are different types of so there are different types of seeds are there in fruits. Am I visible now? Am I visible now? Am I visible now?
सर आपका साउंड नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ तो साउंड ना नहीं आ रहे हैं मुझे भी नहीं दिख
नो.
नहीं अभी अभी नाउ नाउ am I visible now?
नो सर.
No.
No,
Why? Why?
No, sir.
नो सर.
Why? No. No. Yes. Abhi,
No, sir.
I am listening now.
सर.
Yes, sir. I am seeing you clearly.
Very good. Very good. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So,
यस सर.
different kinds of seeds are there. Okay. Some seeds are very big. Some seeds are very small. Yes. And some fruits have many seeds. And some fruits have only one seed. বুজি পাইছানে? Seeds বিলাক বেলেগ বেলেগ different types of seeds আছে। তোমালোকে যদি চোৱা কঁঠাল তোমালোকে jackfruit দেখিছানে? Have you seen jackfruit? Jackfruit কোনে কোনে খাইছে কোৱা?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, me.
Yes. Jackfruit have many what seeds, but the mango has only one seed. Yes. So seeds vary in the number. Okay. So different types of seeds are there. Have you got it? So some seeds are very big. Some seeds are very small. Some fruits have many seeds and some fruits have only one seed. Okay. So all the seeds that produced by the trees does not get into a plant. So it requires right amount of air, water, sunlight. Then and there it can be grow into a plant. Although some seeds, কিছুমান seed কি কৰে, কিছুমান seed birds বিলাকে খাই পেলায়। এতিয়া তোমালোকে কিছুমান plant দেখিছানে? কিছুমান ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ গছ আছে। Some very big plants are there. Some very big plants are there. Yes. So now process I am germination. Okay. So students, look at this page number. This is page number. Okay. This page number. This is the growth of a seed into a sapling. Okay. So this process is called the germination. Thank you, sir. Yes. So students, so this is the process. It is called the germination of seed. So look at this. First it is growing on first it is going in the soil. এটো কি কৰিছে প্ৰথমতে সিডটো কি কৰিছে সয়েলৰ ভিতৰত গৈছে দেখিছেনে লাহে লাহে এটো কি কৰিছে সয়েলৰ ওপৰলৈ এনেকে উঠি আহি আছে তাৰপিছত কি হৈছে these are called first leaves or cotyledons. Okay, so I am drawing this picture now. Okay, this is the process of germination. This is the sunlight is very much required, and suppose this soil. Okay, this is soil. Okay, first when yes, you draw now. Draw it. Yes, draw it. Draw it. All the students are asked to draw it. First, this is a sun. Okay, sun ki hobo? First, a seed. It is a seed. Okay, it is a seed. Initially, when the seed is sowed.
सर हमें भी ड्राइंग करना होगा.
Yes, all the students have to draw.
सर हमें भी ड्राइंग करना होगा.
Yes, you draw it. Yes, draw কৰিব লাগিব.
Air, water, লাগে ছয় লাগে
সংখ্যা বন্ধ করবে
Students, draw this picture.
করা হয়েছে Sir, done.
Done. Very good.
Sir, done.
Thank you. Finish.
Sir, done.
Drawing code করে